Hey guys, what's up? It's Melissa from vicrez.com. Welcome back to our channel. On the table here behind me, we have a few items that I'm going to be showing you for your 2008 to 2019 Dodge Challenger. From a full wide body kit all the way down to smaller details such as our side winglets, these items, when put together on the car, will give you that iconic, aggressive American muscle car look that many of us are going for. The most important piece of this puzzle is our Demon wide body kit, which includes the front bumper and front lip, as well as fender flares for all four corners of your Challenger. If your Challenger is a 2015 or newer, you will not need to purchase the front bumper. But for all 2014 and older models, the bumper will be required to ensure proper fitment. Our front bumper lip splitter allows you to refresh the look of your Dodge Challenger to a newer and bolder look. If you want wider, more aggressive look while also gaining some downforce for your Dodge Challenger, this front splitter mod is for you. Next we have our rear quarter window louvers, which you have the option to purchase together or separately. These louvers provide some shade while also increasing the classic appearance that the Challenger has. Moving on over to the rear diffuser, this modern new aerodynamic style gives you a slightly more aggressive look and brings out all the right curves in your vehicle. Lastly, I want to finish off this look with our rocker side panel winglets that will give your Challenger a really nice track appearance. So there you have it. All these pieces fit together on your Dodge Challenger, allowing you to get the look. All parts are linked in the description for your convenience. As always, please make sure you test fit each part to ensure fitment before painting, modifying, or installing them. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like and subscribe down below. If you want updates on all of our deals and discounts, make sure you go to vicrez.com and subscribe to our newsletter.